Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. So it's a good day. It's Sunday and it's 4:30. And why am I sitting here? Lolo, because Chiquita owns the sofa. She's the boss, you know. Right, Chiquita? At si Pepito, he doesn't want to go. Uh, he's hiding under somewhere. Excuse me. By the way, check out my nails. I just put a little bit of glitters, but this is actually called the ultraviolet. I don't usually like purple, but it's good for, so it has a blue tone tint to it. Ultraviolet, guys, by the way, is dictated by an entity called Pantone. So they're the one who decides what's the color of the year. Um, and they dictate to various industries such as call center, charot, such as architecture or the fashion industry. So I think it's more of like, so we have a coherence in this world, you know? Yeah, coherence. Anyway, I wanted to talk about a little bit about with me using Facebook to promote my YouTube channel, which is Mocha Bomb. And I just realized, with my research, also with the technicalities, as I would still say I'm still a beginner. I've been doing this for 7 to 8 years, but look at Chiquita. Yeah! She's interested in social media. Yeah. So what I'm saying is, I don't think I'm doing an ethical thing by putting links on Facebook. You see, Facebook is a business. People want, or Facebook wants you to stay posting pictures or videos. By the way, in 2019, it has been predicted that everything will just go using videos, mostly videos instead of pictures. So I don't know if that's accurate. Also, so what I'm trying to say is that I don't really have a lot of social media. I'm inactive with Twitter or Instagram, but I do have Facebook and my Mocha Bomb channel. So Facebook is a social platform, and just like all other platforms, they want you to stay and use the system. So what I'm just saying is, by doing this video, uploading directly to Facebook, that's fine. I'm following the algorithm, of using Facebook properly. Even though they're not very strict or prohibits me to do the link, I don't want to do that anymore. So if you're interested to see my other videos, with me contributing to Facebook, doing such this kind of thing, sharing with friends, mga walang kwentang bagay, ganyan. I will just put a link in the comment section, and also if you can give me suggestion of what you want to know more about, especially the chihuahuas or anything under the sun that we can share. And then I'll just put a link of my YouTube channels, and you can just click it and then watch it there. And if you can subscribe, I'll be grateful about it. Okay, so she's getting bored and I have to find Pepito. I don't have a big house, but mainit kaya may electric fan. So I think that's just about it. So I think we're ready to walk. And thank you for watching. Dito! Uy! Dali! Pasok! Dali! Dali! Dito! Dito! Kana! Hoy, Pits! Dito! Chita! Chita! Uwi ka na?